I hope everybody had a great holiday, a great Thanksgiving, and of course a great Black Friday. I know that I did. For Black Friday, I actually went down to NYC, New York City with my mom. It has become kind of like a tradition. We've been going down to New York City for Black Friday for about 3 years now. Whenever I tell people that I spend Black Friday in the city, they're always like, oh my goodness, it is probably crazy, it's probably like a madhouse. But actually, me and my mom, we like to go downtown to Soho, and it's not that crazy. I mean, New York City is always busy no matter what time of year it is. Black Friday was a success. It was great going into all different stores, just seeing all the different sales and deals the stores were offering. Black Friday has just become like another day. A lot of people have already started their Christmas shopping. A lot of stores offer deals throughout the week and weekend. I feel like this Black Friday haul video is just a normal haul video. I hope you guys aren't too disappointed because I didn't go too crazy on Black Friday. I only have things to show you that I got from 2 stores, which are H&M and Urban Outfitters. This time of year, my mom likes to control my shopping and what I buy. So if I do see something, usually my mom will buy it, store it, wrap it, and then put it under the Christmas tree, and that's what I open on Christmas Day. Now that I'm older, I think that's the best way to shop for me for Christmas. That way I pick out what I want and I know that I will like it. So that's why in this haul video, I don't have a lot to show you because actually I will be getting most of the stuff that I bought on Black Friday for Christmas. So I'm gonna have to wait a couple days for those gifts, but Christmas is right around the corner. All right, enough of me just talking about pretty much nonsense. I just feel like I had to fill you in on what I've been doing in my life. But now that I updated you guys, I am ready to start showing you all the stuff that I got on Black Friday. I give the award to the best Black Friday deals to Urban Outfitters. Oh my goodness, this store was crazy because the deal was incredible. Everything on the clearance rack was an additional 50% off. I went nuts. I was just grabbing every type of sweater, every jean jacket, everything, to the point where I was like covered in clothes, and one of the workers was like, I think you need a bag, or I think you need to try those clothes on because you look like you're struggling. Because I was struggling. I just wanted everything. I got 2 incredible sweaters that were like only $19. This sweater is so soft, it is so cozy. I know that I'm going to be living in this sweater on those cold winter days. It is a button-up cardigan and it has this really cool print. It's like a tweed print with all of these beautiful warm tone colors. I am just in love with this sweater. It is just so cozy and soft. It feels like I'm wearing a blanket. Then I got another sweater. I am obsessed with sweaters, but hey, it is the winter time. It is so cold out. What else are you going to wear? This is a longer sweater. Again, it is open. It doesn't have any buttons, but I would probably just wear it open with like a long sleeve shirt underneath. It is a beautiful hunter green color. I love this color because it looks great with like leggings or jeans, some boots, just pretty much whatever. H&M was also a great store to check out on Black Friday. I really like how they had special racks for Black Friday. I didn't buy any of my clothes from the special deal section, so I didn't really get a good deal at H&M, but their clothes are always affordable. So I got a pair of sheer tights, semi-shiny 2-pack pair of tights. Now that it is freezing out, every time I wear a dress or a skirt, I always have to wear tights. I seriously can't believe I bought a plaid skirt. This was legit my uniform in high school. Not red, it was actually green. So I feel like I'm wearing my uniform all over again, but plaid skirts are so in. I can't believe that all throughout my high school and Catholic school days, I was in style with my uniform. I am just in love with it. I feel like I can wear this skirt in so many ways. I was thinking I could wear it with like a black leather jacket, a black fur vest, a crop sweater, a blouse. I just know that I'm going to be styling this skirt in so many ways. You can never have enough of these long sleeve graphic shirts. This is just like a light gray color. Then it kind of has this like edgy graphic. It's just like black and white. I think it's clouds. I don't know. And then it has like these two skulls and it says, "Disappear here." I'm thinking wearing this shirt under a leather jacket or a denim jacket. And the last item that I got at H&M is another basic long sleeve shirt. It is this beautiful deep red burgundy color, which is an appropriate color for the winter time. It's actually a very long shirt. I wasn't expecting it to be this long on. It can be worn as like a dress, maybe with like some tights or leggings underneath. Since it is just a plain long sleeve shirt dress, I will definitely layer it with either like a leather jacket, a denim jacket, a fur vest, and some statement jewelry to really dress it up. So there you have it. That is my Black Friday haul. Let me know in the comments below if you went shopping on Black Friday and what stores you found had the best deals and bargains and offers. So now that Thanksgiving is over, it is now time to focus on Christmas and the other holidays. Let me know if you have any holiday video requests. As much as I am so excited for the holidays, I first have to get through my final 2 weeks of my first semester of sophomore year. I have to get through all of my finals and final papers. So think of me during this very stressful time. I'm always thinking of my wonderful viewers. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.